Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of What Would Lauren Nicole Wear? My name is Lauren Nicole, and for those who don't know, I am a digital content creator, former curve model who occasionally models, and the contributing curve editor at Cosmopolitan magazine, amongst a few other things. Today, we are going to get straight into this video, and I'm going to be giving you some looks for the ideal city break wardrobe. Now, I want to bring you some looks that are going to be able to create that perfect wardrobe that is going to be more of a capsule collection where you've only got a few items, but you can wear them in multiple different ways, and that is really going to work for you wherever you are off to. So let's get into this video. So for the airport, I'm going to wear this with a pair of white trainers. Now, if you are the type of person who is very much an overpacker, which hi, is a little bit me as well, I am trying to make sure that I am only going to be having a very small collection of items. So that means I'm only going to be having one case and one very small bag. We are not bringing any cabin cases. Now, I wanted to make sure that I was still, as I said, always making sure that I am remaining stylish. So I've got a diamante crossbody to go with this. So I wanted to make sure that I'm still adding a little bit of sass to the outfit. And one way I absolutely love to do that is bringing my underwear into my outfit. So I'm gonna be wearing a pink bra underneath, which is just gonna be like a bit more of an added pop. And ultimately, if they don't ask me if I want an upgrade for free, I don't know what the hell is wrong with them, because this is very much going to be giving, I need a first class seat and you're going to give it to me for free. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I have only brought a small select of items that I'm gonna wear multiple ways, and one of those items that I've only brought that are a few are shoes. I've got 3 pairs of shoes that I've packed in my bag and 1 pair of trainers that I've worn to the airport. So we are really working some magic over here. Now, we are going sightseeing, so I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable and not having to worry at all about my feet hurting. So I've got a really cute pair of green trainers that I absolutely love, and I've paired it with this super flattering and gorgeous jumpsuit from River Island. Now, this might actually be one of my favorite jumpsuits that I've ever worn. I think it's super gorgeous. I absolutely love how the trousers fit. The elasticated waistband also makes sure that I'm kind of cinched in and is showing off my shape, which I absolutely love. And I just think it looks really nice. So I have paired this with a brown bag, so we're keeping in that theme, and it's a crossbody, which means we're not going to be worried about having to hold this bag on our side all day long. And ultimately, I'm really into this look. Now, maybe we've got plans for a dressed up brunch or something of that sort, and if you know me, you know that I love brunch. So I wanted to go for an outfit that would still keep within the theme that I've got going on, which is very much cool girl earthy tones. And I have opted for this boohoo skirt, which I think looks really nice on with this white bodysuit. And then I've opted for this leopard print top, or jacket, should I say. I absolutely love how this looks. Now, I think what's great about this is that if the weather allows, you don't have to wear the leopard print jacket. But if you are feeling a little bit chilly, you've kind of got a statement piece that's gonna bring the look all together and is really gonna tie in that earthy tone vibe that you're going for. So what I've done is also paired this absolutely gorgeous bag with it. I think this is gorgeous. I think it really kind of just brings in all those colors together while still giving me that metallic pop. Now, usually I like to go for an outfit that allows me to bring in some sort of color, and typically I'll do that through my accessories. So I usually go for maybe greens or pinks or blues. But as I said, I wanted to keep within that kind of tonal vibe. So I've opted for this instead. But what's great about this piece is that actually, while it isn't necessarily a bright color, it still gives me that sort of oomph that maybe a pop of green would or a pop of pink. So hi, here's my new bag. Do you like it? Quick little interruption with a Lauren Nicole tip. When it comes to packing, I am considered a pro at packing. Honestly, I'm a pro. I literally am packing a suitcase at least every single week to come into the studio to film content or whatever else it is that I'm doing, gallivanting all over the place. So I wanted to give you a little tip on how you can make sure that you are packing like a true goddess, because honey, it takes one to know one. When it comes to packing, I am all about making sure that we are not doing the folding. We don't want to do a square fold, people. What we want to do is the roly-poly, okay? This is gonna make sure that not only are you keeping your items crease-free, or as crease-free as they could possibly be, but it's also going to give you a lot more space than you would if you were doing your solid pack. That's my tip. Happy packing! Now, when I thought about this city break, I thought of going to somewhere like Copenhagen, Berlin, somewhere that's kind of trendy, cool girl vibe, somewhere that's gonna inspire me with some fashion and adopting some new styles. On that theme, I've decided to opt for something that I think might be a little bit out of everyone's comfort zone. And to be honest, it's maybe not necessarily the one outfit that I'd reach for every single time, but I feel like it creates enough of a really nice statement piece that actually it really works, especially if we're heading somewhere super cool like Copenhagen. So I've opted for this co-ord. Again, I know I love co-ords, and it is a leopard print co-ord from Warehouse. Now, I absolutely love this, and you would have seen that in the last outfit, I included it with the skirt and the top. What's great about co-ords is that actually you can really have a lot of fun with them, either only opting for maybe the jacket or a top, or just wearing the trousers. But today I'm bringing it all together. So I have got this look, which is giving me a lot of vibes. I've paired it with these absolutely gorgeous brown boots, which I just adore. They're a dream to walk in. I absolutely love them. And I think this definitely is making me think that we're going somewhere that's really cool. I don't know what the Copenhagen version of Shoreditch is, but it's giving me that vibe. Okay, and now we have got a look that I just think is super cute, super fun, and as you can tell, I'm still within that sort of earthy kind of vibe that I'm into, but the blue jeans actually kind of lighten the outfit a little bit. These gorgeous wide leg jeans from New Look, which I actually think might be my favorite pair of wide leg jeans that I've ever had. They fit really perfectly. They're not too tight on the thighs. They fit really nice and snug on the waist. They're high waist, which we absolutely love. And they're the right length for me. Usually I feel like I'm swimming in wide legs. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm only 5'7", so I don't understand what's going on. But these fit so nice. So we've got these jeans, and then I'm pairing it with this bodysuit, which is actually from my edit with New Look. Absolutely obsessed with this. So what I really absolutely love about this bodysuit from New Look is that, one, it's mesh, and I just think that mesh pieces work perfectly, whether it's autumn winter, whether it's spring summer. This piece is going to be a piece that you can either layer up or just wear by itself. And ultimately it's gonna keep you comfortable and it's easy breezy, right? I really love the fact that it's got this kind of cutout detailing, but also the twist. It's a fun way of not just wearing your kind of normal sort of mesh top that kind of goes up to your neck and just stays like that. Not that they typically are basic, but sometimes you want something that's a little bit different, and I think that this is exactly that. Now, there are multiple ways that you can wear this. You can either opt to go for the brown boots, which I think are beautiful, but on this time, I'm actually gonna go for the white trainers that I originally wore to the airport. The reason that I'm going for these is that I wanted to keep this look a little bit more casual than dressed up. And ultimately, yes, you can go for the boots and it will still be an element of casual. I think it's a slightly more elevated casual with the brown boots. So I wanted to keep it cool girl friendly, and I opted for the white trainers. I love this look. Now, it's really important to me that we always make sure that we have an option to wear if we miraculously or spontaneously go out for an evening of fun. So this is kind of this bonus outfit for me. I haven't really opted for pieces or have decided to style this with pieces that I've been wearing throughout the day, but actually I just brought one pair of heels that I thought would work with this dress and one bag that was very specific as well for this dress. I know that I said we're talking about a capsule collection, so you might say to me, Lauren, this isn't very much within that capsule, but I think it still works, especially if you're not entirely sure of all of your plans throughout your city break holiday. So I've opted for this absolutely gorgeous, and maybe we should start a game of where every time I say gorgeous, you take a shot. That's besides the point. But I've opted for this dress, which is from In The Style via ASOS. And I think, again, it's really flattering. It's showing off that waist. The waistband is really kind of like tight and is cinching me in. I ultimately just think, whether it's a date, whether it's a dinner party, whether you've just made a few friends while you were out at a museum and you have decided to go out on the town with them, this outfit is going to work and is gonna have you looking and feeling absolutely beautiful. And we are now at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All of the information on where my outfits are from are in the description box. And if you have any suggestions or dilemmas, make sure to leave it in the comment section and I will either address it in the next video or I'll answer straight away in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.